My name is Tanvi Lokar from the first year. My topic is touch DNA. First of all, what is a forensic science? Did you know that? Also known as a criminalistic, it is an application of the science principle that make a method to support the legal decision making is better of the criminal and the civil law. About a forensic science, it is a critical element of the criminal justice system. Forensic scientists examine and analyze the evidence to develop a object finding that can evidence and the investigated to the crime and observe the unconscious person. Forensic evidence, it is gathered through the photograph and the measurement taken to the crime scene. In the case voluntary crime, there are the obtained along with the fingerprint, footprint, and the hair and the other body parts. Forensic science, it is used for use of the scientific method or the expecting or the investigation crime or examining the evidence that might be present in the court of the law. Forensic science is an comprehensive discipline from the fingerprint and the DNA analysis to the orthography and the wildlife too. First of all, the touch DNA particularly refers to the availability of and the presence of the DNA that has been transferred through the direct contact between the person or the object or the surface of the person's skins and the cell. It is an initial concept to the forensic science. It helps and the unable to investigate, to collect and analyze trans or the minute amount of the DNA that are left behind by the individual who might have come in the contact or the touch or the handed items. Forensic science can use a DNA profiles to identify the criminals or determine the percentage. A DNA profile, it is like a genetic fingerprint, and everyone have their own or the we can say the unique DNA profile, making it very useful for the identify the people or the investigation to the crime scenes. Touch DNA, it is an advanced technique widely employed in the modern criminal justice system in all through countries. It aims to extract a genetic information from the biological substance, especially the cell shaped from the outermost layer of the skin left behind and a touch object. This method is involved in the recording and trans amount of the DNA from the biological cells releasing during the contact. Even through the quality it is very low, and the recovered that DNA is further analyzed to the generated a person DNA profile, since the dead cell are not unable to see our naked eyes successfully, and the locating and the recovering them can be challenged, and performing DNA from the DNA we can find and from the DNA revolving we can find the criminal who had to do the crime. While the DNA evidence, it is typically the number one research used for the solving the crimes. It has been the instrument and the exploring and the individual who were the wrongly concerned. Their cells constitute DNA that can be recovered and analyzed to the provide evidently identification of an individual who might have the DNA sample. The involved the technique of analysis involve an extraction, amplification, and the further analysis of the DNA and the skin. It can prove that the unconscious and lead of the release of the individual who have been do the crime. We can find our crime and we can get the justice from the DNA research center. And the stamping process is a preservation and removal of the containing and the qualification of the DNA. The amplification of the genetic material and the sustain and analyze the DNA, and we can find the proper person from the DNA through. Thank you.